good people, back again with me Riri Triutami on July 10, 2024 on Liputan 6 Hot News. Phenomenon discovery of ancient craters in the Atlantic Ocean. We have exciting news from the Atlantic Ocean, where experts have discovered an amazing ancient craters. The discovery provides valuable insight into the biodiversity of the past and adds a new dimension to the understanding of reptile evolution in the region. The discovery is based on analysis of new specimens and historical assemblages collected over several years. The new species belongs to the Proterosaurus reptile family and was found to be about 251.5 million years old. The discovery suggests that these ancient creatures dated the dinosaur and had some distinctive features that set them apart from the other creatures. The discovery also makes an important contribution to global scientific research on ancient life and enriches our understanding of the ecosystem that once dominated the region. This news has attracted the attention of experts and the general public alike, and provides us a deeper insight into the past and the evolution of living things. For more information, please follow the latest news by clicking this link and join in the official WhatsApp channel liputan6.com. Thank you for your attention. I, Riri Triutami, will be first. Bye!